The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Des Moines Police Department and the Polk County Sheriff. A riot has begun in downtown Des Moines, and is beginning to make their way through West Des Moines. Citizens are reporting robberies in the Drake University and Merle Hay Mall areas. The people who are rioting are beginning to throw rocks at the police. The SWAT team are now throwing tear gas, and citizens are encouraged to stay in their homes, lock your doors, and close your curtains. Don't use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This is KCCI. We will continue to serve the Des Moines metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, please tune to a station providing news and information for your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated.